Greeting, greetings, and we're going to do some cleaner today. We have here orange peels and we have lime peels. Now, you can peel your stuff, wash it, wash the jars, repurpose them, put the peels in there, orange peels and lime peels. And you can get your vinegar. I had to open it first, excuse me. This is all natural cleaner for your home. You gather it. And you put the tops on, and you can let them sit for maybe 2 days or 24 hours, and then basically you're done and you have your cleaner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was that fast and it was that easy. All right, peace and blessings. This is Sankofa's Naturals Homestead, Maria Nicole. Bye. Greetings, this is Maria Nicole for Sankofa's Naturals Homestead. Today we are showing you how to make pine cleaner, all natural cleaner. So you basically take the pine there and you pour your vinegar. I would like to pour some tea tree oil in ours. And a couple drops of eucalyptus oil. And I'm just going to let it sit. You don't have to basically, you can let it sit and let it strain. I'm going to let ours sit for maybe 3 days, and I'll let it sit, and then we'll be able to use it. I'll sit it somewhere dark. And that's eucalyptus oil and some tea tree oil. And that's about it. But it should be ready to strain and ready to be used. And depends on how long you want to let it sit. We let ours sit for 3 days in the dark. Alright, peace out. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe, and comment any questions you have. This is Maria Nicole for Sankofa's Naturals, Homestead, and Sankofa's Naturals. Alright, peace, love, unity, and empowerment, and wellness.